Hello everyone. Today I have an amazing story for you. It's not just for your listening practice but also to inspire you. The story, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest warriors and rulers in Indian history. His story is one of bravery, strategy, and vision, as he fought against the mighty Mughal Empire and other regional powers to establish the Maratha Empire. His leadership, military prowess, and commitment to Swaraj, self-rule, made him a legendary figure in Indian history. Early life and childhood. Shivaji was born on February 19, 1630, at the Shivneri fort in present-day Maharashtra. His father, Shahaji Bhosle, was a general under the Bijapur Sultanate, and his mother, Jijabai, was a deeply religious and patriotic woman. She played a crucial role in shaping young Shivaji's character, instilling in him a sense of duty, pride, and devotion to Hindu culture and self-rule. As a child, Shivaji was trained in warfare, administration, and leadership. His guru, Dadoji Kondev, taught him sword fighting, horse riding, and strategic planning. From an early age, he displayed remarkable intelligence and courage, often exploring the forts and valleys of the Sahyadri Mountains, which would later become the backbone of his guerrilla warfare tactics. The dream of Swaraj. By the time Shivaji was 15 years old, he had already started forming his army. He gathered local youth and trained them in warfare, preparing them to challenge the foreign rulers who had taken control of their homeland. In 1645, at the young age of 16, Shivaji took his first step towards establishing Swaraj by capturing the Torna fort, near Pune, from the Bijapur Sultanate. This victory was followed by the capture of Rajgarh fort, which later became his capital. His ability to defeat well-established armies with his small but highly motivated force made him a rising power in the Deccan region. Conflict with the Bijapur Sultanate. Shivaji's growing influence alarmed the Bijapur Sultanate, and in 1659, Sultan Adil Shah sent his best general, Afzal Khan, to eliminate him. Afzal Khan was a tall, powerful warrior known for his ruthless tactics. He tried to deceive Shivaji by pretending to offer a truce and invited him for a meeting in the dense forests of Pratapgarh. However, Shivaji, anticipating a trap, wore hidden armor under his clothes and carried a small weapon called the Bagh Nak, tiger claws. When Afzal Khan attempted to stab him, Shivaji swiftly struck him with the Bagh Nak, killing him instantly. His army then launched an attack, defeating the Bijapur forces in the Battle of Pratapgarh. This victory made Shivaji a hero among the Marathas and established his reputation as an unstoppable warrior. Conflict with the Mughals and Aurangzeb. As Shivaji's power grew, he became a major threat to the Mughal Empire, ruled by Aurangzeb. In 1660, Mughal General Shasta Khan was sent with a massive army to capture Shivaji. He occupied Pune and made Lal Mahal his residence. In 1663, Shivaji launched a daring attack on Lal Mahal at night with a small force. He stormed into the palace, wounded Shasta Khan, and forced him to flee. This unexpected attack humiliated the Mughals and showcased Shivaji's brilliance in guerrilla warfare. In 1664, Shivaji attacked the wealthy Mughal port of Surat and looted it. This bold move shocked Aurangzeb and forced him to take Shivaji more seriously. Imprisonment and escape from Agra. In 1666, Aurangzeb invited Shivaji to the Mughal court in Agra, intending to imprison him. Shivaji realized it was a trap, but he had no choice but to go. Upon reaching Agra, Aurangzeb placed him under house arrest. However, Shivaji planned a daring escape. He pretended to be sick and requested permission to send daily offerings of sweets and fruits to temples. Over time, he and his son, Sambhaji, hid inside large fruit baskets and were carried out of the prison by loyal followers. This incredible escape became legendary. Coronation as Chhatrapati. After years of battles and struggles, Shivaji formally established the Maratha Empire. In 1674, he was crowned as Chhatrapati, Emperor, of the Maratha Kingdom at Raigad Fort. This grand ceremony marked the realization of his dream of Swaraj. He introduced a well-organized administration, a powerful navy, and a disciplined army. The legacy of Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away on April 3, 1680, at Raigad Fort. However, his legacy lived on through his son, Sambhaji Maharaj, and later Maratha rulers who continued his fight against the Mughals and expanded the empire. Shivaji's contributions to Indian history are immense. He pioneered guerrilla warfare tactics, built a strong naval force, promoted religious tolerance, and introduced progressive governance policies. His vision of Swaraj inspired future freedom fighters, including Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Subhash Chandra Bose. Even today, Shivaji Maharaj remains a symbol of courage, strategy, and leadership. His forts, stories, and ideals continue to inspire millions of people across India and beyond.